Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the YouTube account that hosts the short. Once signed in, open the short and tap the three dots or edit icon to reveal the description field. This is where you add a clickable link. Make sure you have the full destination URL ready, including https:// because YouTube needs that to recognize a link. Also, decide whether the link is for a playlist, video, or external site so your phrasing in the description matches the viewer intent. Now paste the full URL into the description, making sure it starts with http:// or https:// so YouTube parses it as clickable. Once pasted, add a brief label like "Watch" or "More" immediately before the link to signal action. This improves click-through. Do not wrap the URL in parentheses or add trailing punctuation right next to it, since characters like "or" can break link recognition. Save the changes and preview the short to confirm the link is active and correctly formatted. Finish by saving your edits and previewing the short on both mobile and desktop. Click the link yourself to verify it opens correctly. If the link is not clickable, re-edit the description to remove surrounding punctuation or line breaks that might have split the URL, and then save again. Also, make sure the link destination doesn't violate community guidelines. YouTube may disable external links for restrictions. If issues persist, try shortening the URL or using a different domain that complies with platform rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.